Hi, boys and girls. So, welcome to your final day of writing for this week. Just a quick review of what we've done for this week is first, on the first day, we read through our article and we highlighted 3 details that we liked. Then on the second day, we reviewed our first detail and we wrote our first sentence, which is called an introduction. You introduced your writing to your reader, telling them what you're going to write about. Then we wrote our first detail. Then we went on the third day of writing, we did our next detail and our last detail, which was our second and third fact. On the fourth day, which was yesterday, we did our in conclusion sentence, which is our final sentence to a paragraph, which tells us or tells your reader how you're finishing your writing, that you're done, but you do it in a proper way. Then, boys and girls, when you are going through your assignment today, you are editing your assignment. That means you need to check that you have capitals, you have periods, you have proper spacing, you have commas after your transition words. Check all of your spelling. Make sure everything looks really nice because today you are going to turn it in. So make sure that it looks really good and that your teacher is going to be proud of your writing. So to do that, you can see that right here. Do you see how I have this word spelled wrong? There's this red squiggly line underneath it. That means that that word is spelled wrong. What you do is you hover over it and it kind of turns it red. You take your 2 fingers and you click, and this thing will pop up and it says, "Did you mean leaves?" I'm like, "Oh, yep, that's what I meant." So I can click it and it'll fix the spelling for me. Now, sometimes it doesn't always do that depending on how the word looks to the computer. So if it doesn't, you might need to keep practicing and sound out how that word should spell or sound like and spell. So boys and girls, for today, make sure you have all of those things. I'll say it again: capitals, periods, commas after your transition words, you have proper spacing, and that you have correct spelling. Also, boys and girls, you need to make sure that you have an introduction, your first detail, your next detail, your last detail, and your conclusion. Boys and girls, that is 5 sentences. Those 5 sentences is how you earn a 3. If you want to earn a 4, you need to maybe add a sentence or 2 and just add some extra information that your reader might enjoy. Okay, boys and girls, that is it. If you have any questions, please ask your teacher, and I hope that you have a wonderful weekend.